Hello guys, you're welcome to this tutorial. Want to use a Python to plot or do box plots for a data set. And right now I'm in the Visual Studio Code. This is the interface, and I'm running Jupyter Notebook in it. And for us to use our data frame, which is an Excel sheet, we need to import pandas as PD. And because we'll be dealing with numbers, we have to import numpy as np, and then we'll have to plot. So for us to plot, we have to get it from matplots lib import py plot as plt. And for us to also, I want to make it plt rather, not plots, plt, and then to get our data frame and to get our data set from our directories, we need to use glob, import glob, and then we'll run it by shift and enter. Then once you are done, so the file we have to use is right now is at my drive C. This is the file, drive C, tensor strength of a paper. I have to use that data set. So for me to get it, I'll create a variable file and then glob it, .glob, then I'll bring my asterisk, then I'll bring my quotes and asterisk. Then because on Excel sheet, I'll put Excel sheet as Excel here. Then I'll run it. Then let me open it up and see what is in my file now. So when I open it, these are the files I have there, and I'm interested in loading the tensor strength of paper. So and it's negative. It starts from, if I want to index from below, that's index -1, index -2, index -3, index -4. So we have to index -4, and we use square bracket -4 to index. So that's it now. So I have to read it into Visual Studio Code, and in reading it, I'll create a variable called data frame, and I'll use pandas.pd.read.sl. It's an Excel sheet, and I have file that index -4. So once I've done that, I can now read it now. Data frame, I read it. So this is the data set we'll be using for this demonstration. But I don't like the headings, it's too long, so I would like to change the column heads. So column heads, I'll make it concentration 5%, and then concentration 10%, and then I'll have concentration. So I forgot my quotes, then 15%, and I have my 20% concentration. Then let me run it. I had an error somewhere. Okay, I didn't read my equal sign, so we are done to go. Then let me read it once again and see what is there. It has changed now. So right now we have read our data set into Visual Studio Code. Right now we have to now create a numerical pi, or now use a numpy array to create an array that is for one column, second column, third column, fourth column. In doing that, I'll use my np, which means numpy dot an array. I'm creating an array of numbers. Then my data frame, I'll create my data frame that index the first column, which is concentration 5%. I can even copy it, the headings, and I paste it there. I'll do likewise also for the other ones. I'll make it y np dot an array array, then my data frame comes, data frame, then I square brackets, then I do for 10 concentration, 10% concentration, 10% concentration. Then likewise I do for z, which is equal to np dot an array data frame, then I bring my square brackets, then 15% concentration, and I paste it here. Then the last one, I can make it n. A variable n will contain an array of 20% concentration. I want to copy it. Okay, let me just write it there. It's refusing to copy. Then I'll run it. It's done. So right now I'll create a variable that will contain all this, so that I can make my box plot. So I can make it boxplots. Boxplots. Also, I have my x, my y, my z, and then my n. I can run it. Okay, so now to plot it now. So in using boxplots, we have to use plt. That's our matplots. Then boxplots, and we can put our boxplots there, round boxplots there, run it. So this is what we have. This is our boxplot, but we don't want to see all these codes, so we'll put plt.show. That will take everything off. Now we don't see anymore. So this is our boxplots, and we can see that number 1 stands from the first concentration 5%, 2 stand for the 10%, and then 3 15%, and then 20%. We only want to change the one to make it so that we can actually know the concentration. So let's change the tips. So plt dot sticks, and open brackets, then we'll have 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, because then we come here, this is a text, then we have our labels. We have concentration, conc 5%, we have conc 10%, then we have conc 15%, we have conc 20%. Now let's run it. Okay, so we see there's a change. The concentration. I think there's a problem here, so let's fix it up. Here. Alright, that's okay. So we have each of them. So this box plus, we have 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20%. So this is a box plot that tells us so this is our minimum, and this is our first quartile, and this line tells us the median, and this is a quarter, our third quartile, and this is our maximum. This one shows that this is the outlier. And so from this you can tell from this box plot the distribution of our data. We can see that as we are increasing the concentration of the hardwood, there's an increase in strength of the tensile strength of the paper. So you can see that there's a gradual increase of it. So we can actually add title to our plots. So make it plt dot title that will bring, say, the concentration. concentration of hard wood. Then we'll ram it. That's why we have it there. So guys, thanks for your time. If you like this video, please kindly like and subscribe to it.